brother George. This is Pig. And this is Pig. Peppa Pig. Polly Big Parrot.
Grandpa, Granny Pig, and Grandpa Pig. Peppa and Pig.
Pig.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say.
Pig.
Come.
What?
Come and.
What?
Can you guess what it is?
Donkey egg.
Come and see. Parrot, Pig and Parrot. Pig have a pet parrot.
She's called Polly. Pretty
Polly.
Wow.
I am a parrot.
Wow.
Parrots do. Parrots do. What a sweet little sweet.
What a sweet little.
Did I? Peppa, George, chocolate cake. Peppa, George, chocolate cake. Peppa, George, chocolate cake.
Peppa and George love eating Polly Parrot. But today, they are in a hurry to get back and play.
Please, can we leave the table? And go and see Polly Parrot?
Are you sure?
Please.
Are you sure?
Please.
Are you?
Off you go then.
Peppa and George love eating Polly Parrot.
George.
George is a little bit shy.
Mummy, I'm a noisy parrot. Coming, Granny. I'm a noisy pig.
George, say something.
Peppa and George are pretending to be parrots.
I Polly Parrot. I Polly Parrot.
George,
Have you been playing with Polly?
I Polly Parrot. Peppa Pig.